how to add your own music to Instagram. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to log into your Instagram account from here, and you just have to simply create a story from here. As you can see, if we click on the story from here, you have to upload a video that includes your own music to it, and then you just have to simply search for it, or you just have to simply take the link of your video that has your own music. Let's say this is the music, and you just have to simply click on that video, and then you just have to simply go to post section and click on the three dot, and you have to enable your video to public, and you just have to simply click on three dot and use their audio on your reel making or your video. So that's it for this video. That's how you can create your own music and add it to your Instagram post. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.